In factor analysis, we have two types of factor analysis. One is called EFA, Exploratory Factor Analysis, and second one is called Confirmatory Factor Analysis. Now we will see that how they are different and what are the differences. So I will do it one by one. We have this thing that the objective of confirmatory factor analysis is it is helpful in validating a measurement theory. It means that the confirmatory factor analysis objective is to validate a measurement theory, while the exploratory factor analysis just propose a model. It means that the objective of confirmatory factor analysis is to validate the measurement model, while the objective of exploratory factor analysis is just to propose a model. Then we have cross-loading in CFA and EFA. In cross-loading, the cross-loading means that CFA models fix cross-loadings to zero. CFA models fix cross-loading to zero, while EFA models may involve cross-loading of indicators. It means that when we run the exploratory factor analysis, the cross-loading occurs, and cross-loading means that when one item loads on its own original factor and it also loads on another factor. This is called cross-loading. So cross-loading is occurred in EFA, while it has zero chance in CFA. It has zero chance in CFA. Now, what is correlation? Correlation in CFA and correlation in EFA. In CFA models, errors may be correlated. The error terms can be correlated with each other. In CFA, the error terms can be correlated with each other, but in EFA, in exploratory factor analysis, errors are assumed to be uncorrelated. So we have the objective, we have cross-loading, and we have correlation. The objective of CFA is to validate the measurement model, while the objective of EFA is to propose a model. Then we have cross-loading. Cross-loading does not happen in CFA in confirmatory factor analysis, while cross-loading may happen in EFA exploratory factor analysis. Then we have correlation. In confirmatory factor analysis, the error terms can be correlated with each other, but in exploratory factor analysis, the error terms are assumed to be uncorrelated. Then we have restriction. In CFA, there are theoretical restrictions that identify the model. It means that there is a specific theory which explains that the confirmatory factor analysis will follow a strict theoretical model, while in EFA, there are mathematically convenient assumptions that let us identify the model. Then we have measurement theory. CFA cannot be conducted without measurement theory. This is a good point. CFA cannot be conducted without a measurement theory. Measurement theory is very important, very necessary for CFA. While in case of EFA, the exploratory factor analysis, there is not needed to derive a theory. Then we have assuming variables. In CFA, researcher assign variables to factors before the result is obtained, while in EFA, statistical techniques can assign variables to factors. I hope you make the differences between EFA and CFA. There were some differences regarding objective, regarding cross-loading, regarding correlation, regarding restriction, regarding measurement theory, and regarding variables. I hope you got this video beneficial to your thesis.